Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast. Preheat a skillet to medium heat and whisk eggs with milk, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Dip slices of brioche briefly, letting excess drip off, then place in the skillet. Cook each side until golden brown and slightly crisp, flipping once. Finish with butter and your choice of syrup, fruit, or powdered sugar for a warm, comforting breakfast. Whisking the custard well changes the whole result, so take a moment to beat eggs and milk until smooth and slightly frothy. Add vanilla and a bit of sugar to lift flavor without overpowering the bread. For extra richness, swap some milk for cream or add a dash of cinnamon. Let your bread soak briefly, but not too long, especially if it is fresh, to avoid a soggy interior and uneven cooking. Cooking technique makes a big difference, so keep the heat at medium and be patient while the first side sets. Flip only once to preserve a custardy center and a crisp exterior. Top with warm maple syrup, fresh berries, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar for contrast. For a savory twist, omit sugar and serve with bacon and cheese. Serve right away while texture is at its best and everyone is hungry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.